Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the accessories that you'll probably need for your Xtra Edge Pro. So as you guys can see, I have it inside of this little case here. I'm going to go ahead and disassemble this. The accessory that we're referring to is going to be the battery. So this unit comes with one battery, which is more than enough in most cases. But if you're going to be out doing some, adventuring, trust me, you're going to need more than one battery. Now, recently, a brand did reach out to me and sent me some batteries to test out. And what we're going to do in this video is we're going to take a look at the batteries. We're going to charge them up, and we're also going to see how well they compare to the original battery that comes with the unit. All right, so what you're going to receive is two batteries. And each one of these is 2100 milliamp hours. Okay, so here's the first one. Set it here. So we have a comparison. And let's go ahead and open the second one just so we have them both open. All right, so here are the batteries, guys. Now, these batteries were originally designed to work with the DJI Action 5 Pro. But as you guys can see, they are identical in their design, other than some branding on the batteries. The tab is very similar. Size is the same from what I can tell. All right, I don't know if these batteries have any actual power on them, if they've been charged at all, but we'll come back to that here in just a second. It also comes with a charging case. So let me open this up real quick and show you guys what the charging case looks like. All right, so here's the charging case that comes with it. And simply enough, this will house two batteries, and the batteries just fit in like so. And you can kind of feel them when they click into place for charging. This is going to work with your standard USB-C plug. When you plug this into power, you see your little LEDs will light up and it'll indicate that it's starting to charge. Now, based on this, I'm going to say these probably don't have a full charge on them, but right here at the bottom, it says that this is for the Action 5, 4, and 3. This is roughly the Action 5, so these batteries should work perfectly. So let's just throw one of these in just to see how well the battery fits, if there's any issues when it comes to that, if there's enough power to even turn the camera on. If not, I will charge the batteries up and then we will come back to that. All right, so just like the other batteries, you're just going to pop them in like so. All right, we have our battery in. Let's go ahead and press our power button now. Let's see. All right, there we go. We have 24% power right now on this battery. And it is powering this camera with no issues. All of our same features are still available to us as before. So I didn't think that was going to be an issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge these batteries up to 100% and see what the quality runtime of these batteries are. But most importantly, in this video, what I wanted to show you guys is that these batteries will work with your Xtra Edge Pro. So yeah, it's definitely worth the investment. So if you, like myself, have a couple of these action cameras and you purchased them or got them with only one battery, this could be a great option for you to be able to have multiple batteries. Now, another thing we want to take a look at is this is the original battery. So we're going to pop the original battery in the charger as well to make sure this charger will also charge that battery. And let's take this one out first just to make sure. Yes, it is charging. We have our little red light indicator right there, letting us know that this battery is charging as well. So I'm going to go ahead and charge these batteries up for future use, but I wanted you guys to see how easily it is to set these up, charge your batteries, nice little travel case. This is going to fit easily in your backpack, your camera bag, whatever the case is going to be. And you're going to have three batteries, guys, 3 batteries for your cameras. So I think that's a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.